exciting news for us. We made history this year. We have the first imperial chick bred in captivity. The captive program, breeding program at the Aviary in the Gardens is it started in 1992 with support from Jersey. Now I think they're called Durand. And this program has been supported by the government of Dominica. From 1997, we've had assistance and support from Rare Species Conservatory Foundation that has, been really on with us on this program. We've made a number of changes in terms of how we keep the birds, the sort of diet that we give the birds. We've made changes to the building itself. We've removed some of the birds from one part of the aviary to another building, another aviary that you've seen just near our former forestry office. So we've been working hard at getting the birds to successfully breed. We've had fertile eggs from both the rednecks. Infertile eggs from both the rednecks and the imperial over the last 5 years. This year we've been successful with the imperials laying just one egg and producing a chick. She laid over the last three years. The first time she laid 4 eggs, they were all infertile. The second time she laid 3 eggs, they were all infertile. This year she laid 1 egg and successfully had incubated and hatched 1 chick. As I speak to you, the bird is probably within, say, the last 3 days. The chick probably was born within the last 3 days. So this bird, they put on about 30% of body mass every day. So she's probably the size of my face. The chick is about the size of my face. And well taken care of. The adults are very aggressive, they're very protective, and it appears that she's doing what the adults in the field normally do. Take good care of the chick and want to ensure that that's a successful breeding for her. I think Mr. Lennis Bruno here, who is the aviary technician, he gives his all 365 days to the attention of the birds at the aviary, and he has to be commended. He's been there 365 days. This man makes an effort to be there, and this is twice per day. I am very, very, very grateful for the work that he has put in over the last 10 or more years. The number of other officers, Randolph Winston, Matthew Maxime, John Emmanuel, Felix Eugene, and a few other persons who've been involved. I am supervising the work, and I'm ensuring that these people do what they need to do. And I am very, very grateful for the work that Lennis has done over the last 10 years in terms of giving care, giving attention, ensuring that the cages are clean, the birds get the sort of food that they require. And we are also very grateful for the assistance from Dr. Rilo. He has been there with us, making all the suggestions, giving all the recommended changes to what is happening at the aviary to ensure that we've had success. I think we should all be proud, be happy today, because the Sisserou, an imperial parrot, has given birth to a chick. We see a chick being born in captivity. So I'm really excited, honestly. There, amidst all of the negative things happening, around us, we hear of people poaching turtles from the beach, and all of these other negative things happening. I think this is a moment for us to be proud and be happy. I just want again to thank Lennis Bruno and everybody else who has been part of this program, for the work that has been done and that we are able to achieve this activity, this milestone.